سلام، خسرو هستم. امروز می‌خوایم با هم باقلوا درست کنیم.
Hi, I'm Rosha. Today we're gonna make baklava. To make the baklava, you're gonna need butter, sugar, honey, lemon juice, water, cinnamon, walnuts, and phyllo dough. On your phyllo dough, there are instructions. Read your instructions. Ours says to take it out of the freezer overnight and put it in the fridge. Then when we're gonna make it, take it out of the fridge and let it sit for 1 hour. You just follow what it says on yours. Now we're gonna make the syrup. To make the syrup, you need to combine sugar, honey, water, and lemon juice in a saucepan. Boil over medium-high heat. Stir continuously until sugar is dissolved. Reduce to medium-low heat and boil another 4 minutes without stirring. Remove from heat and let it cool while preparing the baklava. Put our walnuts in the food processor and press the pulse button about 10 times. So we put our walnuts in a bowl and mix it well. So now remove the phyllo dough from the package gently. So we're gonna cut our dough in half because it's the size of our dish. You have to cut it to match your dish. So we're gonna put a damp cloth on top of it so it doesn't dry up. We also have to melt our butter. Spread your melted butter on the sides and bottom of the dish. So once we've spread our butter, we're gonna put 1 layer of phyllo dough in our dish. Then spread butter again on it. So we're gonna repeat this same step 8 times. Easiest way to doing it is putting it on the side of the dish and gently pulling it down. Okay, so we've done 7 layers. You can do 8 if you want to, but we're doing 7. Now we're gonna put the walnuts and cinnamon on it. So once we've put our walnuts on, we're gonna repeat the same step that we were doing, but 5 times this time. So we're gonna repeat this step, 5 layers phyllo dough and 1 layer walnuts until all of our phyllo dough and walnuts are done. So once you've put 4 layers of walnuts, you're gonna count how many layers of phyllo dough you have left, because for the last stage, you're gonna need about 7 to 10 layers of phyllo dough. Our baklava is ready. Now we're gonna put it in the oven, but before we do that, we're gonna cut it into diamond shapes. Now bake your baklava on 325 Fahrenheit or 160 Celsius for 1 hour and 15 minutes. So our baklava is ready. Now we have to pour our syrup over it. We have to let it cool for 4 hours outside of the fridge. Let it cool for 30 minutes and then put the lid on, or if you don't have a lid, cover the top with plastic wrap.